what happened. My number puzzle is empty. All of the numbers are gone. But I found these mystery barns. And I think the missing numbers might be hidden inside. Can you help me solve the mystery? We have to find the numbers, count the objects, and figure out where to put every puzzle piece. If you love mystery games, give this video a big thumbs up. Can you help me solve the mystery? You will? Let's become number detectives. It's gonna be so much fun. Come on, let's go. Let's open our first mystery barn. What color is the first mystery barn? It's red. Good job. Open. Wow, friends. There's 2 numbers inside of our first mystery barn. What numbers do you see? 0 and 1. Where does the number 0 go on our puzzle? Look, each number has pictures in it. This space doesn't have any pictures. 0 means there aren't any, so the blank space is where we put 0. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Good job. Now, where does our number 1 go? Look here, where the snake is. There's only 1 snake. So if we have 1 object, that tells us where the number goes. Let's put our number 1 in the puzzle. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Great job, friends. 0 means none today. 1 means a friend wants to play. Are you ready to open another barn? What color is the next mystery barn? It's orange. Good job. Open. Friends, this mystery barn has 2 numbers in it as well. Do you know what numbers these are? This is the number 2, and this is the number 3. Friends, look here. What do you see? Turtles. Let's count the turtles together. 1, 2. Can you say 2? Let's put our number 2 in the space that has 2 turtles. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Great job. Friends, look at our next space. What do you see? Fish. Let's count the fish together. 1, 2, 3. Let's put our number 3 in our puzzle. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Good job, friend. Finger, 1 finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn into a worm. Crawl, crawl, crawl. 2 fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn into a bunny rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. 3 fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn into a kitty cat. Meow, meow, meow. 4 fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn into a butterfly. Fly, fly, fly. 5 fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn into a tiger. Roar! If If you're having fun learning with me, make sure that you subscribe so that you can come play every week. It's time to open another mystery barn. What color is our next mystery barn? Green. 1, 2, 3, open. Friends, it's 2 numbers. What numbers were in our mystery barn? What number is this? 4. Can you say 4? 4. And what number is this? 5. Say 5. Great job. Look, friends, little mice. Aren't they so cute? Let's count how many mice there are. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 mice. So that means we put the number 4 there. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Great job, friends. Look, this space has butterflies. Will you count the butterflies with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 butterflies. Do you know what that means? That's right. We put our number 5 puzzle piece there. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Great job. Let's sing a song to see how many fingers we have. How many fingers are on one hand? How many fingers are on one hand? How many fingers are on one hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little fingers on one hand. 5 little fingers on one hand. 5 little fingers on one hand. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers on one hand. How many fingers on 2 hands? How many fingers on 2 hands? How many fingers on 2 hands? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Friends, look, our puzzle is starting to come back together, but we still have some missing pieces. What numbers do you think are going to be in the next mystery barn? That's a great guess. Let's open it and find out. What color is our next mystery barn? Blue, that's right. Great job. Let's open it together. Open. There's 2 more numbers. Let's see what numbers we have. We have number 6 and 7. Great job. Friends, look. Our next spot has little blue birds. Will you count the little blue birds with me? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you say 6? 6. Good job. If there are 6 birds, that means that's where our number 6 puzzle piece must go. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Good job, friends. I am so proud of you. Look, there's ladybugs. We just learned about ladybugs in our last video. If you didn't see the ladybug counting video, go to the channel and check it out. I'll link it in the description below. Let's count the ladybugs together. Will you count them with me? Great, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. If there are 7 ladybugs, that means that's where the number 7 must go. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Great work, friends. 6 and 7 came to play. They helped grow our puzzle today. Friends, if you found all of the numbers with me so far, tap the thumbs up button. And make sure you subscribe so you never miss a learning adventure with me. Wow, this is our last mystery barn. What color is our last mystery barn? That's right, it's purple. Friends, inside are the final numbers to finish our puzzle. Oh, friends, numbers 8 and 9. Our next space has frogs. Let's count the frogs to figure out which number goes here. Will you count with me? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is where our number 8 puzzle piece goes. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Great work, friends. There's only one space left. Do you remember what number we have left? Let's count to make sure. Count the flowers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You were right. That's where our number 9 puzzle piece goes. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Wow! We did it! We finished our number puzzle! Look, friends, our number puzzle is complete! Let's say each number one more time together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see if we can do it faster. Let's count again together faster. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you think we can count in a whisper voice? Let's do it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's use a big voice. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, friends, today was so much fun. We opened all of our mystery barns and found numbers to finish our number puzzle. We practiced colors and counting from 0 all the way to number 9. You worked so hard, and I am so proud of you. If you loved learning with me today, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss an episode of Pre-K with Kristen, where we play, learn, and grow together, and learning is always fun. I'll see you next time, number detectives. Bye!